everyone, welcome back to Vani Vision. Today I'm back with a new concept, that is subtraction. I think so you people may get out already. Already teacher has explained about the subtraction, right? At the time we have used base complement, but now quite different in easy way. I'm going to explain you. You within 3 to 5 seconds you are going to do it. Yeah. So what is again teacher? Again we have to learn subtraction in a new way. Are you thinking it is? No, you have to learn it. It is very easy. In an easy way you are going to do, and you are going to comment me like, teacher, really it is very easy. It is easiest you are going to say. Yeah, just my agenda is to write. You have to do the maths in easy way. Whatever it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. So all you have to do in an easy way, which will help you out to manage the time actually there. See, right, now coming to 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and inter students, what we have to do here means, like we are not going to do the addition problems right there. We are not going to do the subtraction problems. We are not going to get the marks over there. We are just using this operation for our simplification. So when you do the simplification in easy way, in a fast way, then your time is managed, right? You will be learning the time management there, right? It is very useful for you all people. Yeah, so subtraction within 3 to 5 seconds we are going to solve it. So before going to learn about it, I just want to remind you all one thing, that is, now everyone are watching the videos, right? Everyone are watching here, but you people are not subscribing it. So what I wanted to tell you people that, see, now I'm uploading the videos like addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, like this continuous videos are coming. So if you do not subscribe my channel, if you are not subscribing my channel, you will miss that notifications. Then you will miss the continuity in it. If you are going to miss the continuity, you are going to miss some content, right? The later on, you will think, before, at the time of examination, what we feel, right? When we miss that content. Later on, if we feel like, before only if I have seen this, I would have used this method in that way. At that time, it may reduce my time. I can solve another problem in place of it, right? We feel it, right? That's the reason I'm asking you people, everyone, please go and subscribe, like and share. Yeah, please do subscribe, like and share. So shall we start our session? So subtraction in easy way, 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, shall we? So we are going to learn the subtraction in easy way within 3 to 5 seconds. So our topic is what? Subtraction. So first we'll take a 3-digit number as it is. So, and one more thing, you people are seeing the first example, and you people are seeing second example, and you people are seeing third example. Over, we understood. So, we are not seeing the video up to the end. The one thing you remember from the beginning, I'm saying you, watch the video till the end, because number of examples if we listen, our content will be strong and the method, whatever the understanding will be improved. In the first video itself, I said that lack of understanding, we should come out of it, right? We should come out of that lack of understanding. We have to understand the concept clearly. When we understand, if we see the examples, if we solve a number of examples, then only we are going to understand the concept clearly. That's the reason. Watch the video till the end. Okay? So my first example is 3-digit number, that is 349 minus 286. So now I'm not going to start from ones. I'll start from hundreds. Okay? 3 minus 2, 1. Okay? 4 minus 8. What is this? 4 minus 8 again? Nothing will happen. 8 minus 4 will. 8 minus 4, 4. But only one thing I'm going to place here, a bar over it. To identify these numbers are subtracted from small to big. Okay? Then 9 minus 6, 3. Okay? Then this is our answer? No. Just a slight change. See. Now we have to take these 2 digits. Okay? Now this is what? 1. So 1 we are going to take it as a 10. So from 10 we are going to subtract 4. What will be the answer? 10 minus 4, 6. Write this 3 as it is. So this is our answer. Is it easy? Yes. Then see 349 minus 286. Subtract. Normal traditional method. 9 minus 6, 3. 2, 1, 63. Is it correct? Is it easy? How many seconds? Hardly 3 to 5 seconds, right? Easy way. When we get a practice of doing it continuously, not even 3 to 5 seconds, you will do. Yeah. Shall we go for the next example? That is 7-digit number. 79 lakhs 32,563 minus 25 lakhs 80,280. So this number we are going to subtract in easy way. Okay, 3 to 5 seconds it is going to be. See, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 3, 5 bar, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 6 minus 8, 2 bar, 3. Right? The next, take 2 these numbers, 5 as it is, 40 minus 5, 35, 2, then take this 2, 30 minus 2, 28, 3. So this is our answer. How many seconds? 3 to 5 seconds. 53 lakhs 52,283. Now this you are going to check our general rate. So 79 lakhs 32,563 minus 25 lakhs 80,280. Now subtract 3 minus 0, 3. Now take a borrow. 5 borrow and taking, and it becomes 16, right? 16 minus 8, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it is 8. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 0, 2. Again take a borrow, it becomes 8 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 5. Then 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. So our answer is what? 53 lakhs 52,283. Is it correct? Yes. Is it easy? Whatever I said. So by using this method, we can do like any digit, like 11 digit, 12 digit, in easy way, fastly we are going to do. Clear? So I think so. The concept is very clear. To make it clearly, you have to take number of examples. You have to write the numbers and you have to solve it. Okay. If you are having any doubts, like in how to write the borrow and all, you can comment me too. I'm here to help you out. Okay. So stay tuned to Vani Vision.